If Firefox feels slow, laggy, or just not as responsive as it used to be, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can improve performance fast. We'll go step by step through removing unused extensions, clearing your cache, adjusting hardware acceleration, and finding memory-heavy tabs that may be slowing everything down. These are easy changes anyone can do, and they can make a real difference if Firefox has started feeling sluggish. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's start with extensions, because this is one of the most common reasons Firefox can slow down. Extensions are useful little add-ons that give your browser extra features, but if you have too many installed, or if some of them run in the background all the time, they can use resources and reduce performance. To check yours, open the Firefox menu by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, click Extensions and Themes, then click Extensions. Here you'll see a list of everything installed in Firefox. Take a few moments to look through that list and turn off or remove any extensions you do not use anymore. If you don't need one, disabling it can instantly reduce background activity. If you're not sure whether an extension is helping or hurting, you can temporarily turn it off and see whether Firefox feels faster afterward. Next, let's clear your cache. The cache is where Firefox stores website images, files, and other data so pages can load faster when you visit them again. That sounds helpful, and it is, but over time the cache can become bloated or outdated, which may actually slow the browser down instead of helping it. To clear it, open the Firefox menu again and click History, then click Clear Recent History. In the window that appears, set the time range to everything. This makes sure Firefox clears the full cache instead of only a small portion of it. Then check the box for cache. You can leave other items unchecked if you only want to remove cached files. After that, click Clear Now. Once that finishes, Firefox may need to reload some websites a little more slowly the first time, but that is completely normal because it is rebuilding fresh cache data. Now, let's move on to hardware acceleration. This setting tells Firefox to offload heavy graphical tasks to your graphics card instead of relying only on your main processor. In many cases, that can help performance, but on some systems, especially older computers or devices with weaker graphics hardware, it can actually cause lag or strange slowdowns. To test this, open the Firefox menu and click Settings. In the Settings page, use the search box and type Performance. You should see the performance options appear. First, uncheck the box that says Use Recommended Performance Settings. Once you do that, more options will appear. Then uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. After changing that setting, restart your browser so the change can take effect. When Firefox comes back up, see if it feels smoother and more stable. If it does, then hardware acceleration was likely part of the problem. Finally, let's talk about memory-heavy tabs. Sometimes the issue is not Firefox itself, but a few websites that are constantly running scripts, videos, animations, or background activity. Those tabs can eat up a lot of RAM and make your browser feel slow. To find them, click the address bar and type about processes, then press Enter. Firefox will show you processes and tabs that are using resources. Look for the tabs taking up the most memory and pay attention to anything that seems unusually heavy. Close the tabs you do not need, especially if they are consuming a large amount of memory. If a tab is frozen or you know a website is causing trouble, closing it can immediately free up resources and improve performance. And that's it. By removing unused extensions, clearing your cache, adjusting hardware acceleration, and closing memory-heavy tabs, you can usually fix a lot of Firefox performance issues in just a few minutes. These are simple maintenance steps, but they can make your browser feel much faster and more reliable. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.